In recent months, we've seen agents from Immigration Customs Enforcement arrest, detain, and remove illegal immigrants. But how much do these actions cost? KETV News Watch 7's Madison Perales gets the facts. Madison?
Rob, some individuals from the Glen Valley Foods raid are still being held in detention, but all of this comes with a price tag. I spoke with local and state groups to gain a better understanding of the costs behind these arrests. I found it costs an average $17,000 of government money to arrest, detain, and remove one immigrant in the country illegally. That's according to a Department of Homeland Security press release from May of this year.
That is a low estimation for a process that is quicker than normal and not giving into consideration the other expenses that are accrued.
In a statement, an Immigration and Customs Enforcement spokesperson says, quote, each immigration removal case is unique to the individual.
The criteria for holding someone in detention and making them ineligible for bond would be a flight risk or a danger to the community. Now, that standard is evolving.
ACLU Nebraska's Executive Director Mindy Chip Rushman, former legal practitioner, is referring to faster removal proceedings.
Otherwise, normal immigration court proceedings really depend on the form of immigration relief that is available for that individual.
According to USCIS, types of relief are adjustment of status, cancellation of removal, and asylum, to name a few. Omaha immigration attorney Etziri Valadez says detention costs vary.
The government does have to pay the cost for holding somebody in detention.
Rushman says detention facilities are a partnership.
Here in Nebraska, the Department of Homeland Security contracts with local jails, and so the jails are being paid to do some of the detention, and that adds additional costs.
Valadez says this is a part of America's due process.
That's why they have to go through the whole process, and then even if the end result is deportation.
I asked DHS, USCIS, and ICE what the cost of flights are to deport immigrants here illegally, and also inquired about how much the U.S. pays other countries to take them. I've yet to receive a response. Back to you, Rob.